জয় বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে, বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে।
Joy Jai Shri Radhe everyone. This is the 18th verse of Shri Shri Prem Bhakti Chandrika by Srila Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya. Translation based on the commentaries by Srila Vishwanath Chakraborty Pado and Sri Ananta Das Babaji Maharaj. Krishna Bhakto Ango Heri, Krishna Bhakto Sango Kori, Shodhanvito Shobono Kirtano, Archano Sharono Dhano, নব ভক্তি মহাজ্ঞান, এই ভক্তি পরম কারণ। Translation. I behold the transcendental forms of Krishna's devotees. I associate with Krishna's devotees and faithfully engage in 9 kinds of devotional service, like hearing, chanting, worshipping the deity, remembering the Lord's pastimes, and meditating on them in their company. This is the greatest knowledge and the greatest cause of devotion. Joy, Joy, Shri Radhe.
জয় রাধে